Detention.
Hello, magandang
Nagkaroon ng interview ang magkapatid na sina Vice President Sara at Kitty Duterte pagkatapos nila dumalaw sa loob ng kanilang ama na si former President Rodrigo Duterte sa Netherlands.
Sunod, madam. Kumusta po?
Yes, I'm here.
Magandang
Naman ako,
hapon.
Crowd Relations Officer.
You wanna update me?
Makikitang nakahawak sa braso ni Vice President Sara ang bunsong kapatid na si Kitty habang sinagot nila isa-isa ang mga katanungan sa kanila.
And he is happy to know that he is continuing to receive the love and support from the Filipino communities from all over the world. And he is
Masaya ang magkapatid na binigyan sila ng extra time pa para makasama nila ng mahabang oras ang kanilang ama sa loob at makapagkwentuhan.
We're happy that they gave us extra time to make up for the time we lost for some things that happened inside, yes.
BP, this is the first time na
Naging masaya umano ang dating Pangulo dahil magkasama silang dalawa na nakapasok sa loob at napagkwentuhan nila ang tungkol sa boyfriend ni Kitty.
Well, I believe he's happy because Kitty and I were there and then we talked about her boyfriend.